Hey there, industry professionals. Welcome to Hindustan Corporation, right here in the heart of Rajkot, the engineering hub of India. Rajkot isn't just known for its rich cultural heritage. It's also a powerhouse in the world of engineering and manufacturing. And at Hindustan Corporation, we take pride in being the largest manufacturer of wire mesh machines in the region. Now, let's dive into what sets us apart. First up, we have our automatic chain link fencing mesh machine. This machine is a game changer for efficient and precise chain link fencing production. Next, the high-speed barbed wire machine. Designed for speed and endurance, this machine ensures you get the highest quality barbed wire quickly and efficiently. We also offer the automatic welded wire mesh machine. Perfect for creating strong and durable welded wire meshes, essential for construction and industrial applications. For your reinforcement needs, check out our reinforcement concrete mesh machine. This machine is engineered to produce high-strength concrete meshes that are crucial for solid construction projects. Need something for agricultural purposes? The automatic grassland field mesh machine. Is your go-to solution. It's ideal for creating large quantities of grassland field mesh efficiently and effectively. Our vibrating crimping wire mesh machine is another marvel, designed to produce crimped wire meshes used in various industrial applications. The concertina razor barbed wire making machine is perfect for high-security fencing solutions, ensuring robust and reliable razor barbed wire production. We also pride ourselves in our sheet expanded mesh machine. A versatile machine, perfect for producing expanded metal sheets, used in various architectural and industrial applications. Last but not least, our gabion and hexagonal wire mesh machine. This machine is designed for producing durable gabion and hexagonal wire meshes, widely used in construction and landscape. At Hindustan Corporation, we're not just making machines, we're crafting the future of engineering and manufacturing. Thanks for taking this journey with me. Through our state-of-the-art facilities and innovative products. Stay tuned for more updates and insights from Hindustan Corporation. See you next time.